TechnoAuthor. TechnoAuthor has computer-based language arts activities for primary students. Write, edit, and illustrate stories with simple-to-use Microsoft Word templates. Write a fairy tale. In this project, students write, illustrate, and edit fairy tales using Microsoft Word. TechnoAuthor. Students complete the following tasks. In Session 1, students edit the appearance of the fairy tale, The Frog Prince. Students open the template into Microsoft Word and learn how to format the text. They change the font size, font style, underline style, and font effects. This knowledge is then used to customize the look of the words in the story. In Session 2, students illustrate the silly story, Wags Finds a Home. Students open the template into Microsoft Word and learn how to insert clip art to make a picture of a sad dog in the city. To create the scene, students practice resizing clip art, positioning it inside the picture area, and then changing the object order. This knowledge is then used to create an illustration on the remaining pages. In Session 3, students use a story starter to write about events that occur in the fairy tale about a sad princess. The beginning of the tale introduces the character. Students are left to write about the problem the princess faces and why it is causing her to feel so sad. The middle of the story states that the princess no longer wants to feel sad. Students must write about what the princess does to solve her problem. The fairy tale ends with the princess feeling happy. Once the story is finished, students apply their knowledge to illustrate each page using clip art. In Session 4, students write their own fairy tale. To start, they organize their ideas using a storyboard. Afterwards, they open a template in Microsoft Word and use it to write their fairy tale. When the story is complete, students format the font to make the words look great. In Session 5, students illustrate their fairy tale. To start, students open their saved story. They apply a border to decorate the pages. Students then insert clip art into the picture area of each page to illustrate the events in the story. In Session 6, students publish their fairy tale. To begin, students edit the document for misspelled words and punctuation errors. Afterward, they use a checklist to review the content of the story. Once confident that the fairy tale is free from errors, students print their story and share it with friends. TechnoAuthor includes teacher guide, student workbook, customizable resources, extension activities, templates, and more. Essential skills for primary students. Organize ideas to compose a fairy tale. Write a story with a beginning, middle, and end. Proofread to edit written work. Use a word processor to format text. Illustrate a story with clip art. Student acquires content knowledge. Operating environment. Word processing. Applied technology. TechnoAuthor. Have fun with fairy tales. Contact us to learn more. Visit www.technokidsindia.com or www.knowledge-hub.com.